to match the wall color, so I'll show you what you do. You just cut the paper out like that. You only need the top layer. Don't do it too close to an external. This is probably a bit too close too. And there you go. You take that down and get it matched. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. You see I've just cut that little bit of ceiling out. When you arrive on a job, you don't know if it's 10mm plasterboard or if it's 13mm plasterboard. And whenever you pick one, it's always the other. That's how it works. I do have a couple of sheets in the back of my car, but none this size, so I'm just going to get one 2.4 meter sheet, and I'm going to get a bag of corner cement. The red bag, looks like they're out. I want this bag. Put in the 20 kilo, and they don't have any. That's alright. I don't need it today. I already got base coat, so we're just going to use that. That's it, back to the job. Luckily, this store was only 4 minutes from the job, which works out well. 2 days later, it's dried up nicely. I just arrived. James has already cut in all the ceilings, and rolled to here. So I've just got to sand this patch because I don't trust anyone. And I can see a bubble, which is not good. Right there. Sometimes when you've skimmed the ceiling and it's already been painted, you get a lot of little pinholes over where the paint is. I'll show you. It happens all the time. So what you do is just get some top coat and just lightly go over it like that. Sometimes they're really hard to see. Just a light skim. You can't get away with it, people will see it. Only where the paint is. You notice it's not here back because that's where the new sheet was, so just where it goes over the paint. This is when it's drying, it has no way for it to escape. So yeah, and then that'll be drying 5 minutes. If you want to dry in less time, but yeah, that's how you fix the pinholes. It happens.